So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable dark mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step when it comes to turning this feature on or off is to access the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, you want to scroll and select Display. And then at the very top, you should see Light and Dark. So currently dark is selected, which is why my screen is in dark mode. But if you want to turn it off, start by selecting light, and then your screen will switch back to light mode, thereby turning dark mode off. You can also choose to create your own schedule for dark mode, so it activates at certain times during the day without you having to come to these settings to enable it. And to do that, tap on dark mode settings, and then you want to ensure that turn on as scheduled is enabled. Once that's done, you have two options. You can choose the sunset to sunrise option, which is from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. That's when dark mode will be activated. Or you can tap on custom schedule and create your own start and end time for whenever you want dark mode to be activated and deactivated. Remember to tap on done so that you can save that custom schedule. And so now dark mode will follow that schedule that you've just created. Alternatively, you can always choose to use the shortcut that's available in quick settings if you just want to activate dark mode whenever you want without any additional settings. So to do that, just swipe down for quick settings, and then next to this brightness slider, you should see this half moon icon. So this icon is what allows you to change the system from dark mode to light mode. So currently it's not selected, which is why it's in light mode. But if I tap on it like that to select it, it automatically switches my system to dark mode. So you can see my app icons, my folders have all switched to dark mode. If I swipe down and tap on it again, light mode will be enabled and dark mode deactivated. And so those are the ways you can activate and deactivate dark mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.